Hello everyone. Welcome to my tutorial. This is part 3 of paintbrush. In our previous video we learned how to create new brushes and we used art brush. In this video we will learn scatter brush. So let's start. So I am going to create quickly a bird by using pen tool. I am not using any reference, that's why I am going very roughly. Increase size of artboard. Create a rectangle and apply sky gradient. Now come to brush panel and drag it to brush panel. Select scatter brush. Now use brush tool. Double click on brush which we created. Now come to settings. Reduce size, reduce spacing. Scatter will spread your brush. Rotation will rotate your object, right now they don't have any rotation. So apply random. So they will rotate randomly. If you select page, so object will rotate according to page. And if you select path, so your object will rotate according to path. Now apply random settings option. Some objects are outside from the artboard. So just make a copy of background, lock one object and then select all of them. Go to Modify, Clipping Mask, and select Make. So now only that object is visible which are inside the artboard. Create a heart shape. create one more brush through that object. Because this time we will use other settings. So we need another brush for this. Reduce size, reduce spacing, apply rotation to path. And hit OK. It's look good. Move it down. That's all for scatter brush. In next video we will learn pattern brush. So don't miss it. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, so like and share it. If you have any comments, so you are welcome on comment section. See you in next video.